Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the data-driven testing from command line in Postman as part of Postman tutorial series. So let's get started. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And this Newman is a command line collection runner for Postman. It allows you to run and test the Postman collection directly from the command line. And we can run any kind of collection and we can provide any kind of data as part of data driven testing. And in case if you are new to this particular tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorial where I have shown you how can you create and set up for Newman by installing a Node.js, and after that we have installing Newman. And in case if you are new to this tutorial, do watch that tutorial and come back to this one. That will be very good understanding for you to run the Newman collection. So let me quickly jump into the Postman standalone tool. So here I have a collection which is having data driven approach. So this is a data driven approach where I have shown you how can we execute this from the command line by providing the multiple data setups. So I will do export this same thing. So let me export this. So I am exporting this collection into my downloads folder. All right. Yeah. And I have shown you how can you run this data driven approach in the collection runner, and I will share that link in the description section, or you can do watch my the entire tutorial series where you can find the tutorial related to this collection runner, the how to get the data from CSV or a JSON file. You do watch that tutorial and you will get the good information about how can you create a data driven testing in that collection runner. And I'm doing the same collection runner to be executed from the command line parameter. So I will share this link in the description section. You do watch that tutorial before watching this tutorial. Now I have exported this, and I have two data setups. So during that tutorial I have created two data files, which is a data JSON. So let me show you how the data JSON look like. So this is JSON. I have two JSON two iteration data I have provided. Also I have CSV also, where I have shown you the different data setups in the CSV file. We can do that kind of iteration in the command line. So let's open my CSV file and I will show you the data, how I managed how I have structured this entire data. So this is the 5 user details that going to be executed. Now let me open my command line, and in case if Newman is installed or not, we need to first check for Node to be installed. So let me check for Node version. We have Node installed and we have npm Newman is also got installed. So how can we run the npm command? So for that, npm run. So this is a npm run, or we can say, sorry, we need to provide Newman run, as we are running the Newman from the collection line command line parameters. So after Newman we need to provide the collection JSON. So I have stored it in my downloads folder. This is my data driven testing. So I will drag and drop here, and after that, so this is data driven testing. I have provided data to be picked up from my JSON or CSV. So first I will show you how JSON will picks up. So for that we need to provide -d, which represents the data driven, or we can say document. And now I need to provide that particular file here. So for that I will go to my desktop, and this is my file, and drag and drop here and click on enter. So as soon as we enter, you can see all the iteration it has done is 2 iterations, as we have provided 2 kind of data in the JSON data, and it has provided the failures as well. And you can see what all tests that is being performed on the particular collection, that it is checked for response time to be less than 200. So it has a that has been run on the particular request, and also the status code has a name of string called OK or 200. and same for the second iteration. So in case if you have multiple conditions that are being in the test area, you can see that entire test details over here, and this is the table which shows you how the entire details of the iteration. So iterations are 2, requests are 2, test scripts are 2, and also the assertions are 4. In the assertions there are 3 failures, and you can see the failure details here also. And now I will show you how can you run the data driven testing using an Excel or a CSV approach. For that, new main, run, and I need to provide same thing. So I need to provide the collection JSON. After that, the file that I am going to be run on this particular collection. So this time I will use a CSV. So this is my CSV test data, which is having 5 records or 5 user details. So it will run for 5 iterations. So it is running for 5 iterations, and you can see these many failures are there in the 5 iterations. And these are the data driven testing. This is a post request, so it is getting a post request, and this is the status code 400, bad request and status, I mean the number of bytes it has been used and the time required to execute this service. So all the details we can see here. And here you can see the iterations are 5 because it has a 5 user details, and the request, because it hits for first 5 times, it is showing the 5, and test scripts 5, and assertions are 10. Out of that, 9 got failures, and these are the failure details, how and why it has been failed. So this is a simple data driven approach using command line parameters. And we can add multiple conditions in the Postman, where in the Postman tool we can add multiple test cases on multiple conditions that tests are going to be executed as part of that collection runner, or we can say command line running from new main. So in upcoming videos we will discuss more about this new main. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and do watch my collection of entire Postman here, and you can find from the basic introduction to the current tutorial. Do watch this and share your questions, queries in my comment section. Thank you.